Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshi tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding acid, base and salt. Before I am entering the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So please listen carefully and imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today, my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 8 mark important questions. Maybe this question will come in public exams. So, listen carefully. So, my humble advice is, please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Okay. The topic is acid, base and salt. First, we will discuss about acid. Do you know friends what is acid? Yes, example, the combination of liquid in the presence of H plus ions and electrolyte ions is known as acid. And next topic is what is base? Do you know friends what is base? Yes, exactly, it is alkaline in nature, it is weak solution. The pure acetic acid also, it is equals to not acid. It is neutral to the 7 pH value and it is alkaline in nature, less pH value. So it is base. Do you know friends, how can you find out which is acid substance and which is base substance? With the help of indicators. Indicator is nothing but to indicate the acid or base. There are 5 types of indicators: pH scale, universal indicator, phenolphthalein, methyl orange and litmus paper. First we will discuss about pH scale. Do you know friends what is pH scale? With the help of pH scale, we will know about what is the strength of acid or base. Do you know friends, in the pH scale there is a neutral level, nothing but 7 level is known as neutral level. The pH scale introduced by Sorensen. He is great scientist. He is a German scientist. By the Sorensen, the pH scale is introduced. By the pH scale, we know about the capacity of acid and the strength of the base. Do you know friends, which acid is very strong acid? Hydrochloric acid. Next, which acid is known as very weak acid? Acetic acid. Do you know friends? Name some important bases: washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, gypsum. This is very important bases and the important acids. But here base is the negative and the acid is positive. But here 7 is the neutral. So here we will conclude that the pH level contain neutral level also. We will move to next topic. In this lesson, very important lab activity is there. This question may be asking in public exam for 4 marks. So please listen carefully. Aim: to show that acid react with the carbonate or any metal hydrogen carbonate. Apparatus: take 2 test tubes, delivery tube, thermometer and the stand and the sodium carbonate, nothing but washing soda crystals. Take a hydrochloric solution in a test tube and keep the sodium carbonate crystals in the solution and keep the thermometer and set it in the stand and take a delivery tube, keep in the A test tube to B test tube. In the second test tube contain CaOH, calcium oxide. The calcium oxide is converted into very pure whitely milky white solution because here carbon dioxide is transferred by A test tube to B test tube. Here we will conclude that acid is react with metal carbonate. Acid is nothing but hydrochloric acid and the metal hydrogen carbonate is nothing but washing soda, nothing but sodium carbonate. Next we will move to next topic. I will show the picture of activity of acid react with the carbonates. See friends, here one test tube is there, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate test tube. Here CO2 gas. Here CO2 gas is transferred by delivery tube through the A test tube to B test tube. Here the milky white solution will be produced, nothing but calcium oxide with the help of stand. This dilute acid, hydrochloric acid. This is very harmful to us. Properties of bases. Do you know friends what is the property of bases? Property of bases is nothing but to know the capacity of base by the indicators. First we will know about phenolphthalein. When the phenolphthalein droplet add in the base is converted into pink solution. Okay, and next topic is the methyl orange. The methyl orange is also indicator. Here the methyl orange solution droplet will added in the base. The base is converted into yellow color, and the blue litmus paper will kept in the base. The base is converted into blue color. So here we will conclude that the base is very weakly greater than acid. Acid contain OH plus ions, and base contain OH minus ion. So here we will conclude that it is negative, and the next acid is positive. We will move to next topic, neutralization reaction. Do you know friends what is neutralization reaction? The combination of acid and base will get the salt solution is known as neutralization reaction. We will move to next topic, pH scale. Do you know friends what is pH scale? By the pH scale we will get the capacity of acid or any base with the help of positive substances and negative substance. So here we will conclude that the pH scale is very important for know about the capacity of range of acid or any base. The pH scale is introduced by Sorensen. Do you know friends what is the importance of pH scale in our daily life? Yes, it is necessary for pH scale, but we don't know how the pH scale were used. Example, we are using early morning daily brush toothpaste. No, the toothpaste value is 5.5. Our tooth decay is 7 or 6.5, and our saliva is 5.6. Based on the fertility of any soil also, based on the pH value, the crop resolution will be occur. And next topic is chloroalkali process. Do you know friends what is the chloroalkali process? Chloro is nothing but chlorine, and here alkali means base. We will define it as H2Cl. I will show the picture of hydrochloric process or the chloroalkali process. You see friends, it is nothing but chloride, sodium chloride. It is cathode, it is minus value, and it is anode, plus value. It is sodium oxide, nothing but it is a nickel-like solution, nothing but bleach. When it is added to the H2 to Cl2, the hydrochloric acid will form. When the chlorine is added to NaOH, the bleaching powder nothing but CaOCl2. Here when the combination of hydrogen and the chlorine, the acid will be present. When the chlorine and the sodium oxide, the base will be present. By the chloroalkali process, the two substances will be prepared, nothing but cathode and anode. Are you understand friends? Yes, exactly. Family of salts. Do you know friends what are the family of salts? The family of salt is nothing but the combination of bases only. Bases are made with the salts. Here we will conclude that washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, gypsum are the family of salt. The salt is nothing but chloride, sodium chloride. The formula of family of salt is, or any sodium chloride formula is NaCl. Na is nothing but sodium, chlorine nothing but Cl. Here Na is plus, nothing but anode, and the Cl is minus, nothing but cathode. By the combination of anode and cathode, the family of salt will be produced. We will move to next topic. In this lesson, very important lab activity is there. It is the second lab activity. Aim is to show that by the glucose to produce the electricity. I will show the picture of that activity. Here observe friends. Here taken a beaker and two electrodes. By the hydrochloric solution, here attached a 230 volt wire and taken a bulb. Here by the solution of alcohol and the glucose and the hydrochloric acid, the graphite rod produce plus nothing but anode. Here minus cathode. By the combination of anode and cathode, the electricity is produced by the dilute HCl solution. This is the main product in the beaker. So here electrons and the protons is transferred by two electrodes, nothing but graphite rods. I will show the picture of how the pH scale is present. See friends, this is the pH scale. By this we will know about the range of acid. Below the 7 contain acid and after the 7 contain alkali nature, nothing but base. But here this is neutral. The acid rain contain 5.5 and alkali nature contain below the 7. By the pH value we will get the capacity of or range of acid or any base. The bases contain alkaline nature. Do you know friends what is antacid? Yes, nothing but the antacid is nothing but the medicine of neutraling the acid. When we stung by any honeybee or ant, the ant is released by a special acid. By the acid, the skin will swell out. When we keep in any base-like substance, the acid will neutral. So here we will conclude that the acid will react and the neutral with the base only. So we will add the acid and the base means the substance will be neutral. Here concluded that acid will neutral with the base only. Acidic nature and alkaline nature. In our body contain hydrochloric acid. No, it is acidic nature. It is very harmful to us. For harmful in our large intestine. When any organism is enter into our stomach, the hydrochloric acid will be burned out. And next, the alkaline nature will be produced in our mouth only. Here alkaline nature is nothing but saliva. With the help of saliva, the hydrochloric acid is the neutraling in our body. We will move to next topic. In this lesson, very important activities is there. There are two types of activities now we will discuss now only. One activity is glucose is producing the electricity and second is the acid react with the carbonates. And in this lesson, bases formulas: washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, next gypsum. First we will discuss about washing soda. The washing soda formula is Na2CO3 and the another name for washing soda is sodium carbonate. Next, baking soda. Baking soda is useful for cooking food and it is spongy in nature. The formula of the baking soda is sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate also. And next, plaster of Paris. The plaster of Paris is useful for making idols. Do you observe Vinayak Chavati? The Ganesh Chaturthi will be occur in the presence of plaster of Paris and idols only. By the heating of gypsum, the plaster of Paris will be get. The formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 into half H2O. And next topic is gypsum. By the heating of gypsum, we will get plaster of Paris. No, the gypsum formula is CaSO4 into 2H2O. CaSO4 is nothing but calcium sulfate. By the calcium sulfate, the alkaline nature will be produced in the gypsum and the plaster of Paris. Before I am leaving the seminar, I will repeat important question in the acid, base and salt. First, what is acid? What is base? How can we find the acid or any base solutions? Explain the chloroalkali process. What is neutralization reaction? And explain about how the chloroalkane process will be occur. In this lesson, lab activity is there. No, explain the activity. Hydrogen and the acid reacting with the carbonates. And next question is explain the activity. Glucose is producing the electricity. And next is explain the formulas. Washing soda formula. What is the formula of washing soda? What is the formula of baking soda? What is the formula of plaster of Paris? What is the formula of gypsum? Here we will conclude that these are the very important questions in the lesson. In this lesson, the 4 marks is very important is lab activities. Explain the activity of glucose is producing electricity. And next question is explain the activity acid reacting with carbonates. I hope you all understand my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.